Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to bring a new advent calendar to my channel, and that is this right here. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this just arrived and I'm super excited to get into it because I've never brought this brand on my channel or this particular advent calendar. So I'm super excited because you guys know how much of an advent calendar hoe I am. So I definitely was looking for another one that I haven't done yet to bring to my channel so we can see what it's all about. And I found this one. This is by ASOS. This is $99, or you can do 4 different interest-free payments of $24.75, and it's supposed to be a 75% off. I couldn't find anywhere where it shows the actual retail value for everything inside, but it just says it's 75% off. So so this right here will contain 24 products and a branded tote, which is right here. There's actually a scarf that's tied to it as well, which is super cute, that you can tie to any of your own purses or use it for like your head, you know, if you wanted to wrap it around or whatever. So I think that's really cute that it comes with a scarf and it's down inside of a reusable tote bag. There's supposed to be 15 full-size products in here. Each item comes in a numbered box, features skincare, makeup, hair care, body care, and accessories. The advent calendar includes a reusable tote bag and a printed tie scarf. And yeah, so I did print out all of the products so we can tell which one are the 15 of the full size. So let's go ahead and get inside of it. So let's remove, this did come in a mailer bag, which surprisingly, being a mailer bag, it doesn't look like the box inside has too much damage. So that was pretty good. So then, yeah, so this you can leave on here if you want, or you can use it for anything else. But here is a really nice scarf. That's nice. It feels really nice too. So let's get the product out. Oh, does it match the print kind of on the box? I think it does. That's cool. So you would have this little canvas tote that you can use for anything afterwards. And this scarf, and it does. It matches this box. That is super cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in and see what's going to be down inside. It looks like there was a seal right here. All right, oh, I think that's the bottom now. On the bottom, it does look like it'll go over all of the different products. And then when we open her up, that's what it looks like down inside. At least it looks like everything for the first layer will be kind of in order. So let's go ahead and start with box number 1. So down inside of number 1 is a full-size product, and this is Drink Up Intensive Mask, 75 ml. And let's see if this is one that you have to wash off. It says it's an overnight hydrating mask with avocado and glacier water. It says twice a week or as desired, gently massage onto clean skin at bedtime, tissue off. So you don't have to wash it off per se, but it says tissue off. So there's item number 1. And again, I couldn't find anything with the retail values online. It just shows the product and if it's a full size or not, but there's no product value. So here's item number 1. Number 2, this is another full-size product, and this is from Dr. Pawpaw, Tinted Rich Mocha Multi-Purpose Balm, 25 ml. So this I think I'd rather save and put in my giveaway that I'm going to be doing for you guys. It says for lips, cheeks, and cosmetic finishing with a hint of tint, and it's fragrance-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. So I would love to just pass that down for the future giveaway, but that is a full-size product. Number 3, we have a twofer in this one. I love when we get 2 different products. So the first one says Beauty Works Professional, and this is with Argan Oil Vitamin E. It's a serum. So it says that it's the mini comb, and you have this serum. So those are not full-size products, but at least you have 2 different ones in there. So you have a mini comb and then you have a serum to try out. And I think the packaging is really interesting. At least it's not like a glass bottle or plastic or anything like that. So you can get every drop out to test that out. So there's box 3. Number 4, So down inside we have this, and it says Egyptian Magic All-Purpose Skin Cream. It's a 7.5 mil. And on here it just says all-purpose, 100% natural balm with honey and olive oil to hydrate and nourish lips, face, and body. Oh, so it's a multi-use. You can use it pretty much anywhere. And there's that. Number 5. So we have a product by Urban Decay, and it is an all-nighter primer, and it's a 5 mil. It says all-nighter face primer, long-lasting foundation grip, preps, smooths, and perfects. I don't use liquid foundation, so I'll put this right back in the box and put it in my future giveaway, so one of you guys can hopefully enjoy that. But you have that primer that you can test out. If you like it, you can get the full-size product. Number 6. So next we have a product by Clinique, and it's Take the Day Off Balm, 15 mil. I've never used a cleansing balm by Clinique, so I'm actually excited to try this one out. But I do love a cleansing balm. I literally use one every single night, and that's really cute packaging. And that's what it looks like inside. So it looks like a normal balm. I like to use this at night, especially to take off all of this and rub it around in my eyelashes to get my mascara off. So I love a good cleansing balm, so I'm super excited to try that one out. Number 7. We have a product by Olaplex. I absolutely love these products, and I actually like that even though this is a small sample, they have them a lot smaller. I have one, the last one that I received is like the size of my finger and like a little tiny skinny tube. So I do like that, at least since it is a smaller sample size, it's a larger size of a sample size, if that makes sense. Because again, I've gotten so many that are so much smaller, but this is the Olaplex number 3 Hair Perfector, and it's a 30 mil. So I'm really excited about that because I really, really love Olaplex, so that's cool. Number 8, we have a full-size product, and this is by Revolution. It's Glow Polisher, 100 mil. And this one here says, gently exfoliates to reveal a brighter, fresher complexion. Apply to dry skin and add a little water and massage in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Can use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. So that's neat. You have a full-size product right there. Number 9. In number 9, we have an Estee Lauder product. This is the Advanced Night Repair Serum, and it is a 7 mil. It is a little guy. I did receive a little one of this. I think it might have been this one. And if it is, I will definitely put this in my future giveaway. I think so. Advanced Night Repair. That looks familiar. It looks like the one that's in my arsenal currently. But that's what it looks like right there. And at least you do have this product you can test out. I hear Estee Lauder is a really good brand. And I know if this is the same product, I had a lot of people comment that they really, really do love that product. So there's that. Number 10. We have a product by The Ordinary. This is 100% plant diverted squalane. I'm not sure how you say that. This is a full size, and it is a 30 mil. And it says for surface hydration. It's a lightweight plant-derived solution to support healthy hydration. Apply a few drops daily or as needed to entire face, ideally after water-based treatments. So you do have that, and let's see what it looks like inside. And there you go. And again, this is a full-size product. Number 11. So we do have a set of lashes. This is from Prima Lash, Dainty Styles False Lash D60, and this is a full-size product. So if you guys do follow me, you know I do not normally do anything with lashes. Barely a little. I dabble in with the magnetic liner ones, but not this style. So I will gladly put this in my future giveaway pile. So hopefully one of you guys will enjoy it, or at least can pass it down or gift it to somebody who would. But you do have a set of lashes. Number 12. So down in here, and I always get this brand wrong. I always want to say like Clydesdale, which reminds me of a horse. I don't know why I always want to say that, but it's like Clydesdale. I'm not sure how to say it. But here is a serum, and it is a 10 mil. And I do like this brand. Anything that I have received, I actually do enjoy. So I like that this is in here. It is a small little sample, but at least it's enough for you to try out. And it's a Radiance Serum. So there's that guy. Number 13. So we have this skincare tool right here, and it says Psychic Sisters. This is a full-size product. And it says adventuring. I believe that might be the crystal that it's made out of. I actually do enjoy using these. I have quite a few, so I'm going to put this in my future giveaway. But you go ahead and you use it with the sides of your face. You use it like this. You'd pull up. I don't want to touch it because I'm going to give it to one of you guys. But you would pull it in here and here. You can go up. You can do it this way. You just turn this thing around and use it towards whatever part of your face that you would like to use to kind of pull and stretch your skin while you're doing your skincare routine. But I do enjoy using these, and it feels so nice and cool to the touch with this style. So I will gladly put that in my future giveaway pile for one of you guys to enjoy. But it does help with your skincare, at least if you're like pushing, help kind of like push it in, that kind of thing. So I do enjoy using these. Number 14, here we have a full-size sleek 12-hour liner, and it is a pencil blackmail, so it should be definitely black, so I will definitely use this. That's like the only color that I do use. So let me open it so we can see it. So without the plastic, that's what it looks like. There's that. Ooh, and it glides on nice and smooth. So I will gladly use this guy. So you have a full-size black eyeliner. Number 15. So this says We Are Paradox 3-in-1 conditioner, and it is a 30 ml. I love any type of like conditioner, leave-in conditioner, like nice deep conditioners. I love anything like that. So I'm super excited to try this out. I've never heard of this brand, but it says directions after shampooing, work into wet hair and rinse. Apply to towel dried hair and leave in conditioner or on dry hair as a styling balm. I'm excited to test that out. Number 16 is a little big. It's from This Works. And this is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. This is a full-size product, and it is 100 ml. So it says 24-hour skin solutions when used nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. Why? Support sleep and skin wellness at nighttime with a 2-in-1 beauty sleep solution. Massage nightly into hands and body and breathe in deeply. So there's that. Number 17. So now we have a product by Invisibobble, and it is You Dazzle Me Scrunchie. This is a full size. I'm used to those little tiny like ones, and so it's kind of neat to see an actual scrunchie, and it looks nice and festive with the shiny silverness. So it's nice and like wintry, I would think. So this is like a good thing for this box. But there's that. And again, I've never seen a scrunch. I feel the things inside of it, actually. I do feel that track like inside of it, and then it just has the fabric around it. So it does still have the same little like plastic thing on the inside with the fabric around it. But I do like the colors, and it's nice and shiny. Number 18. So we have a full-size sheet mask. This is by Dr. Jart. It's a derm mask. Hydra Solution Sheet Mask. I definitely enjoy sheet masks. I love skincare in general, but I like to just put this on my face for 15 to 20 minutes, pull it off, tap in anything that's left over, and go on with my day. So I absolutely love these. So here's one by Dr. Jart, and yeah, I'm excited to try that out. 19. So we do have another liner. This one's actually a color, so we'll save this for one of you guys, but this is by Ciate London, and it says Wander Wand Liner in Champagne Gold, and this is a full-size product. So I will definitely put that in my future giveaway, so hopefully one of you guys, or you can pass down to somebody who would use it, but there is a Champagne Gold liner. Number 20, I think this is the biggest box inside of here out of all of the boxes. And down in here, this is the one that I'm actually super, super excited about. This is the full-size Elemis. This is a spray toner. I think it's apricot. Soothing Apricot Toner. It's a 200 ml. I really love to have a spray toner. I like toners in general, but I like to have a spray toner because then you're not using any cotton rounds to throw away, or if you have the reusable ones like me, you don't have that extra laundry or anything, but this just makes it so much easier just to spray on your face and go on with your day. But I absolutely love having a spray toner, and I'm super excited to try this out. And apricot, I'm hoping it'll get a little smell of it. Let's see. I mean, I could always just put it on over my face now. Yes. It does have a slight apricot scent to it, so I'm I'm even more excited. And I think this is valued like $30 or $40 by itself. So super excited about that LMS product. 21. In number 21, we actually have a full-size MAC lipstick, and it should be in the color Rural, and it's a full-size product. So it should kind of look like that, which looks kind of like a brownish type color. Let's see what she looks like on the inside. So there's the packaging, looks like a little bullet like normal. And then down inside, ooh, that is actually a really pretty color. Let's see. Yeah, I actually like that because it's not like a red, but it's not a brown. It's definitely not no poop brown. That's just a really nice color. Let's put it on. I think that's really, really pretty. I like that color. I honestly, at first, when I saw that brownish color, I did not think I was going to like it as much. When I actually swatched it, I fell in love with it, and I actually like it on my lips. What do you think? A full-size MAC lipstick right there, and I like the color that they chose. I think it's a really nice color, and it's called Whirl again. Whirl. Whirl. Number 22. So down inside of here, you do have a nail file. This side is kind of like a shimmery, like opalescent color, and then this side looks like that. And then you have this product. This is the mini nail file, and this is a full-size cuticle oil. I have so many cuticle oils that I'm gonna put this in that future giveaway so one of you guys can enjoy it. But that's what it looks like down inside, and it looks like, you know, like a little nail polish brush in there that you can just brush on your cuticles. And yeah, but I'll put it right back down inside of here. Number 23, we have an eyeshadow palette by Iconic London. It says it's a mini warm and blushing eyeshadow palette, being a full-size product. So when you open it up, there is a little mirror right there, and it looks like there's 4 colors. I will show you what they look like. So there's 4 different colors. I believe you could create a really pretty look with just those 4 colors. I'm actually going to put this in the future giveaway, so there's an eyeshadow palette in there. You know I love those colors, but I'd rather share with one of you guys. So the very last one in here is box number 24, and we have a little Charlotte Tilbury product. It says that it is a magic cream, 7 ml, instant turnaround moisture. There's that. And that's what she looks like down inside. So there is the last one, and that is everything that is in this advent calendar. All right, you guys, so comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this advent calendar? I'm super impressed because I've never had this one or really seen this one. I do definitely like this here. This one sounds extremely interesting. I really am enjoying this lip color, and you know that's really rare for me to like a lip color. That's really neat. I love the Olaplex. There's some really amazing products in here. There's an eyeshadow palette. There's 2 different eyeliners, one black, one gold. So I feel like there's a good mixture of products in here, but definitely let me know what you think down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.